Hello everyone, so I've just gone through my camera and stupidly deleted my intro for this vlog, so I'm going to do it now. As you're about to see, I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree and get all my Christmas tree decorations up, and that is going to be a real effort because I know, because I've done it before. Let's get to this vlog. Ugh. So here you can see this really entertaining clip of me trying to put the lights on the tree. Soon to my surprise that I cooked the tree. Well, the lighting of the tree. So I think I low-key cooked the lighting. I was really confident at the start. Had it really nice and close. And then I got to the bottom of the tree and then I realised I had no lights left. So I've had to improvise. It really looks at the bottom anyways. So I think I've finished-ish. I mean, yeah. So we're going for a white turquoise theme this year, I reckon. You know, just... It looks a lot better with lights and when they're turned on. And then for this wiring, it's the fairy light wiring. I reckon I'm gonna wrap it around this pillar here, and then we're gonna have the stockings just there. That's what I reckon. And then we've got a few more decorations, but other than that, I think the tree is done. I should go to training right now. I'm supposed to be there literally this second. So yeah, so I've got to go now. So I've got to run and get changed, and I will finish decorating the house and check in with you guys later. Oh, that's great. I just got back from training and look like a wreck. I'm gonna finish the tree, finish the house, and let's do it. I'm getting a whole lot of eczema because when I sweat I get so itchy. And my arm was literally on fire. It was a fun time. So let's go do some decorating. Yeah, boy. So I've got a cute little nativity scene there, cute little star there, cracker, lights, nutcracker. Oh, sorry. That's where the stockings are gonna hang. There's one, that's the dog's wall, and the tree. So decorations are pretty much done. Or I never really did an outro for last night, so pretty much what happened was we grabbed dinner and well, Mum just saw the amazing work that I did with the Christmas decorations, and then that was pretty much it. I mean, yeah. So today what we have planned is work. Yay. And I actually need to leave in like, oh, I've got half an hour to chills. Work, and then I have to go to training and then home. But once I come home, I think I'm gonna clean my room a little bit because, as you saw, I need some help like instantly. So at the moment I'm just gonna grab some breakfast. Yeah, I don't think I've ever shown my hair like this curly. Like, I washed it last night and this is naturally how curly it is. So it's a fun time with this curly hair. That's the plan for today. So we have to leave the house in approximately 10 minutes, otherwise I'm missing my bus and being late for my shift. You know, same muesli I had yesterday. Love this stuff.
And it's my duty as a wedding planner to make their wedding. And this is how I started planning.
Okay, yeah, and see if they make silver ice.
Netflix Christmas movies. Okay, so I'm running a little bit late, so I've got to head off to work now, but I'll check in with you guys when I go home from training. So I just returned home. I didn't actually end up going to training because I ended up seeing my friends after work and seeing The Grinch, which was a really good movie. I really recommend it. It's very different to the original. He's a lot like nicer, because in the original, what we grew up on, he's a lot more of, well, a dick. So he's nice in this one. It was really cute, it was really funny, had a few giggles, laughed a bit, so it was fun. And then now I think I'm going to the gym because I had a fair few unhealthy things from work, so need to get that off me. I didn't really go yesterday, I just did like the ergo. I just had a mozzie on me. I just did an ergo yesterday, so I need to actually do some gym work, properly running probably, so really excited for that one. Yeah, I'll check in, and dinner's pizza as well, so that needs to be burned off before I have it, you know. So yeah, check in with you guys later. How pretty is that door? Cute, don't? So we're just heading off to the gym. Really gonna come back in a completely different state, you know? So we're looking forward to that. Okay, so now I'm officially cooked. Like, so dead. Like, I was not looking forward to today at all, and oh, I feel like I've ripped my quads in half. It's not even because I did like leg exercises, it's because like the lactate acids built up in my legs and I didn't like stretch it enough or whatever. So now I'm like freaking dying. What I did today was, if anyone's wondering, if anyone has an interest, I did 5 minutes of fast walking. There's people there, so I'm gonna stop filming. Yep. There's a Tai Chi class right there. Let me try and get it on camera. Did you see it? I tried to do it really stealthily, but I don't know if I got it. Lighting this angle. I'm petrified of birds, and there's birds everywhere. Decided to walk through the park on my way home. It's a longer walk, but stunning. It's 8 o'clock at night, which is so bright for Melbourne. Loving it. There's birds everywhere and I'm getting really nervous. As I was saying, because I was so too socially awkward to film in front of people, what I usually do is the gym. Today I like Kathy came it for 5 minutes, which was like walking fast pace, and then I sprinted for 10 minutes, and that was the one that killed me pretty much. And then I did today was like ab day, so I did ab intervals. So minute on, 30 seconds break, and it was like just crunches, plank, like weights, you know, when you like go to one side for the abdominals, then toe touches, I don't know, just stuff like that. It was a pretty short session because I was not feeling it, and I literally feel like I've ripped my quads in half. So it's really fun. So I'm gonna go home and eat a fat pizza, so everything I just worked for was pointless pretty much. So check in with you guys later. Morning guys, so today is actually 2 days from when I last filmed, because yesterday I literally did nothing but clean my room. Like you guys can see, it's a lot cleaner. Hey Dave. So what's happening today is, well, it's already been a long day because I was up at 4:30 this morning because we had, I had training. But it was really nice sunrise on the water, so I'll insert a photo here. So it was beautiful this morning. It was just very glary and I didn't have any sunglasses, but it's fine. Then I'm going to the gym at 12, and then straight after that I'm going to the beach with one of my friends. So I'm pumped for that. Just show you what I'm wearing for today. So just some leggings, cotton on, then just a black singlet. I folded in half because it's literally so hot because my room's upstairs, so I'm like dying. So that's what's happening today. What you doing? The light wall that I put up for Christmas, I'm literally obsessed with. I walk down the stairs and this is what I see. So pretty. So currently just trying to get in the water.
Down the beach, and the rocks are really fucking sharp. Oh, I can't swear on your channel, Kayla.
No, you can, but I just don't think it heard you.
Well, I mean, rocks are really sharp under our feet, and we're being
No.
in the waves because it's really cold. It's so fucking cold. Motherfucker.
Okay.
Stepped on a rock, stepped on a rock.
Okay, so we are currently at the beach. I'm filming on my phone because I didn't bring my camera, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to film because Steph's being really funny.
Melodramatic. Just a bit melodramatic there. So guys, Georgia's getting her hair dyed blonde. So there's a vlog coming out. Oh my god, there's going to be a vlog coming out about that. Surely you'll vlog something to do with your hair.
Yeah.
I dyed my hair blonde. I'm Shani Grivet. Also, you know how Shani made that video and it was like, I dyed my hair blonde? It literally looks exactly the same.
Yeah, I know.
It was a bit of a letdown.
Yeah, no, that's okay. So,
wait, can you like do some cool indie shots of that? Look at how white my feet look in the water because I've got a sock tan.
that hurt.
That was to be like a little 5-second video at the end of just
What did you want to say about your battle scars?
Oh yeah, hang on. I don't know if you can see anything in the camera, but look at my big battle scars from the ocean. From that little fucker over there. I grazed my leg. She's kissing herself. And I got some more on this leg, which you...
I can see why that happened. It was you're like...
Yeah, no, because I fucking fell. And I bet you cannot see it on my legs. But it really fucking hurt. Pattern up! Screw the ocean. She's stealing my glasses. They're my glasses, by the way. Hey vlog, they're my glasses.
So I just realised those people are so much closer than I thought.
I know, we're talking real loud. Give me my glasses. I need them to protect
Wait, let me
my
just look.
eyes.
They are so much closer than I thought they were.
Oh. I like I've got some tissues. Get me out of it. Still got books? Give me my fucking glasses, I'm home.
I used to be so funny until you came along.
I want some aside.
Basic.
I am a basic slut and I'm proud of it. Okay, Claire. That's again.
Oh! There was like a nut in here. Look at the mess she's made.
Knew it.
Do it.
Oh my. Birdie.
I'm petrified of birds.
Oh thank God, they're fucked off now. I can't believe we got that on film.
Oh! That's right, 5 second rule. Okay, do you want to know why I'm petrified of birds? So, story time. I was walking to rowing one time, like along the Yarra, and I was wearing like my fluoro sports top as you do.
You got shat on, didn't you?
No, I wouldn't care if I got shut on, that's good luck. And there was like a bird up in the tree, but like don't care because there's birds in the trees all the time. And there was these 2 old guys just like chatting as they do. And all of a sudden I feel this like along my face. And I was like, oh, I just walked into a tree branch. Look up, there's this fucking bird coming at me again. It's like, and it like came at me. I was like this. I was still shell shocked of what happened with the first swoop, and then it's like come up, and then it's turned around, and it's just, I look up, and there's this bird just darting at me, like, and it scratched me under the eye right there.
I remember that.
That I shat myself, and like Kath and Kim did all the way down to the path. I had to run, like I was an extra like 500 meters to get to the boat sheds because I ran, and these 2 old men were just laughing. They're like. And then the 2 old men were like, oh, it's been happening all afternoon. I was like, did you want to tell me maybe?
Oh God.
Instead of just watching it, they're like, oh, you're right. I'm like, no, I might just have like fucking diseases on my eye because I just got scratched in my eyeball, nearly went blind, but it's fine. I'm fine. So I just kept walking. I ran into the sheds, burst in. I just got attacked by a bird. Everyone started pissing themselves laughing until I was like, wait, no. I'm bleeding, and then the whole mood just changed in the whole thing. They're like, oh, like it's you actually got swooped by a bird.
Oh,
and I was bleeding, and then like the coach had to take me the first day so I don't get like diseases.
fuck. That's a bit intense.
So that's why I'm afraid of birds. Like, so we had to refilm it, you know, when we were explaining it, you're like, I fucked the chocolate. I was like, Fizz, you can't swear, and he did it again. I stuffed up the chocolate, and I was really shit. I was like, Fizz.
It just looks wet. In the nicest way possible. As in, like, it just looks like you've come out of the water, like good wet, not dirty wet. I feel like I should be able to do it because I've got such lanky arms.
Oh, I did. I know.
Okay, guys. So, an Upstage.
What is Upstage?
Upstage is our dance show, and there at the end of our hip hop dance there are 2 sirens, and we're meant to stand like this for the first one, and then run off stage for the next one.
Yep.
And Georgia got scared of the siren and flinched on the first one.
This is the result. Oh,
Wait, we'll play it again. She's that one, by the way, the one moving around when no one else is. That one. Oh, fuck off. Okay, I bet you it doesn't actually look funny on the vlog,
No,
but
it
it was
doesn't.
fucking hilarious.
But the thing is, why I kept moving is because in my head the show must go on, so I can't make it obvious to flinch and then go back here. So I just flinched and then kept like walking and chilling.
It was so
It made
funny.
more sense in my head, and that siren felt like it's like 5 seconds in here, but it felt like it was going
felt
on
like
for
2
a freaking minute. And I
actually
was like,
felt-
when will this siren go?
It was so long.
It was really embarrassing.
And I was just behind you laughing because I shat myself.
I'm just walking home now. I've got literally the worst freaking chafing in my legs. It hurts so much. So, fun day at the beach. Definitely got 100% burnt. Love that. My lips are like burnt as well. It's a real fun time. So, I just got back. Oh my god, this lighting I hate on the phone. So, I just got back and you can definitely tell where I forgot the suntan oil. It's here. Like, oh, how that's gonna hurt tomorrow. Well, and tonight, really. I've got the worst chafing in my legs and it's so painful. It's like sticking. But like, mate, that is burnt char grilled chicken, you know? Sorry, my camera's flashing really red, so I'm gonna hurry up, but I'm about to get in the shower. My whole body is on fire. I am so burnt. Like, my chest is like red raw. I feel like instead of like moisturizer, someone's put chili in it, and my body is on fire. My lips are burnt, my whole ass is burnt. I can't sit down without feeling like my whole fucking ass is on fire. So it's a real fun time. I'll show you the back of my legs. They are on fire. So thank you, Carotene 30 Plus, did about nothing. So I'm gonna have a shower and get ready for it and tune out to some bangers because that's what we do every night. So cool.
You dip, make it 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 dip. Yeah, baby, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip. Keep it on checks, she was on never left it, and I'm not trying to lose. Then you're left in the dust, at least I stuck by us. You're a sunflower, I think a little bit too much. I got some damn bad intentions. But we promise to always tell how we feel. Got some bad intentions, got some secrets, then I
So I'm going to moisturise my entire body because I don't want to peel and I don't want to be a shriveled up prune. So, yes, I'm going to go to bed now because, well, not bed. By bed I mean like watch Netflix and then go to bed at 1 AM. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Morning, guys. So last night was like probably the worst sleep I've ever had. I am in so much pain. My ass and like my lower back and, well, actually my whole entire back and my legs are like red raw. I don't think I've ever been this burnt in like my lifetime. Putting on this sports bra was like pain, and it's just like the, what's it called, like the elastic on the sides is like cutting into me and it hurts so much. Like, this is my back. So painful. My ass is like literally this color. I could barely sleep last night. It was so painful. I'm still a bit red here, but like this is nothing compared to like everything else. So didn't get much sleep before. I feel like I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's been a bit all over the place. I don't know, just because it is. So I hope you liked this vlog. If you did, make sure to click that subscribe button down below and the like button because it really helps me out, which is awesome. So click them below and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. With boughs of holly, la 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 la, la la. The back of my legs is so I'm so bad. Oh. Oh. Fuck me. Ow, 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 ow. Ow.